you got. You get stuck. Like
It just started.
You go like this. You get stuck. Yep. You have to get.
1, 2, 3, go.
Daddy.
What?
Daddy.
What?
Go round.
You have to count to 10.
Go around.
To go round. Okay, guys? Hey, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
She sounds scared.
Daddy.
What?
You're supposed to count to 10. You get stuck like this. So you have to count to 10 to do that.
Maybe we'll do it again in a little bit, okay?
Can you do the thing where you put her straight up?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come round.
You almost slipped out of my hand on that one.
It's getting dangerous.